Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make ornaments for your cartoon type trees without breaking the bank. What I learned to do was to look on eBay, and they sell things that look like ornaments. They're like prize packs from fast food restaurants, and you can get a whole pack of things. For example, this is from Finding Nemo actually. I think I got it for $8 on eBay. So you get a whole prize pack, and these make perfect ornaments. And all you're going to really need is the ornament or the figure itself for your cartoon tree, glue gun, I like my big glue gun, and just regular hangers. All you do is take your cartoon, you get one of your wire coat hangers. I always place them like that. I always put something up next to it so I can just make it help stand it. So I take this end that's already folded and fold it in half, and I find what's a really good place to put it in. So I tend to put it on the top. That seems to be the best. Now for this particular one, I'm going to put it on the side. So I'm going to lay this one down because it was a little flat on top. So I'm going to put that there, like that. Take out the glue gun. Be careful, it's always hot. I've had more glue gun incidents burning myself. Leave it like that. Set it aside and go on to the next one. You want to make sure that I tend to stand it up because otherwise it may kind of push off. So there's that one for gluing. Take another one. This one I actually might make it easier for myself because it has a place to hold it. So for this one I'll do this. Put this around here. Simple as that. Go a little further. And this one will even stand on the tree very easily then, because I'll turn this around here. Move it up here. And then to make sure it's going to stay in place, I'll still glue it just to make sure it does. That one also, I'll move aside and let it dry. Leave that one on its side. And then we take the Nemo. Okay, it's a great ornament. We will make a great ornament. Again, because Nemo's kind of flat, on the top I'm going to glue. I use hot glue guns because it dries really quickly and clear. It usually holds permanently. Sometimes you have to redo them. Put that there. If it starts to slip, you might want to hold it for a second. So I'm going to put that down. I'm going to put it on the side actually because the gravity will keep it in there. This little cute guy here, he'll make a great ornament. He's got the little thing I can put it on also here. So I'm going to just do like I did with the other one. I'll wrap it around. Get it ready to go on the tree. Put a little glue. Oops. So it'll stay on. Make sure you put it in the position so you can hang it. Put him aside. And I'll do one for, I like all these little stringy things. And now I gotta do one for the turtle. So it stays on. Again, I'll do the same thing. Put the glue on it. And that's it. We've made 7 ornaments in less than 3 minutes. So there it is, folks. 7 ornaments for less than $8. Can't beat that. Again, I'm going to go hang these on my tree now. Happy holidays and stay peaceful.